everybody, I'm back. This is the last little clip here on the still life setup, and then I'm going to give you a quick view of where I'm at with the actual painting. The arrangement I am working on is going vertical, and I ended up not using the sheer fabric as the backdrop, but hanging the painting that I did of a Cezanne piece that I really like. And then what you see here, the blue hydrangeas, I just added those in yesterday because I was working, and I'm going to take them out now so you can just see the arrangement as it really is in the painting. But the dried flowers, I liked their forms and how they were in the glass jar and didn't want to disrupt that. But I really felt like I wanted to incorporate more color into that part of the painting. So I went out and I clipped the hydrangeas that are fortunately starting to bloom this year. There's been other years where they haven't bloomed. But then just put them in the cup with water and position them next to the dried ones, just so I could get a visual on color. And that's how I'm using them. I'm not adding the leaves. I'm just picking up the beautiful greens and the blues of the flowers themselves, and then incorporating that into the physical painting. So that's working out pretty well. You know, I've got to use some imagination sometimes and test things out. And in a lot of ways, everything's just an experiment. And if I can continue to look at it like that, it's also helpful, because I just don't need to get too wrapped up in what's happening and just kind of go with the flow of how the process of painting and putting the still life together unfolds organically. So I'm just gonna back up here a little bit and give you a quick view of the painting, where it's at. It's not quite done, but it's getting there. I'm just taking breaks, each day with it, just to look at it and let it sort of sink in, and I'll see things that I want to modify or change a little bit. So I like how it's coming along, and it's on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I hope to continue to work on that this week, and I'll post a final picture once it's at its point of completion. But for right now, it's still in the works. And I think that's it for today, and thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.